Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Alderisha Kits here. If you guys are new here, this channel is all about beauty. So guys, as you can see by the title of this video, I am doing an unboxing for my favorite brand. I've got a mystery box from Essence, and you guys know I love Essence. They are so affordable and they have good quality products for their price range. And girls, let's get into this unboxing. Yay! Okay, so as I've mentioned, ladies, it's a mystery box from Essence. This is not a sponsored video. My fiance got it for me, so sweet. So he knows I love makeup and he knows I love Essence, so he got me these mystery boxes. So we are going to open it together and we are going to see what we got from Essence. Okay, let's open it up. So as you can see, the pretty design on the little fairy tale box. So let's unbox. Okay, so you see that it's got the little Essence packaging in here. That's what you'll get. And then we shall open it up and let's see. I just want to be gentle with it because I don't want to rip it, you know. I want to be... Oh. Here we go. Okay, let's just rip it. Okay, I'm opening it up. Woohoo! Girl, if you are a makeup lover, we have the Essence Matte Lipstick, Perfect Matte Lipstick. Let's see, what shade is this? In shade 02 Perfect Matte. Don't worry, I will be doing a review on all these goodies. As you can see, this is all of the goodies that's in here. Let me open it for you guys so you can have a better look. See what's in here. Okay, so then we've got Essence Pretty Fast Nail Polish. It's a pretty soft pink nail polish, you know, that fairy tale princessy look. And then we've got glitter. So like I'll do like a glitter makeup look, you know. I'll do something with this. Pretty. And then I got Essence Extreme Shine Lip Gloss, Volume Lip Gloss. How freaking pretty. I love this soft pink. So I'll do like a nude shade like lip. This will look so freaking pretty. And then last but not least, we got the Essence Lip Care Boost Serum, 10% peach oil, moisturizes, plump boost. Look at how pretty this is. It's so cute and it's got such a nice soft peachy shade to it. Like, it looks glossy. I've never seen this before. Interesting. Guys, I'm going to try all of these for you guys and test it and see. I'll give you guys some price range on these goodies as well. So if you guys want to get you guys a little, you know, even if it's not this little box, maybe go and get the actual product. But it looks pretty cool. That is in my Essence mystery box. This is the first mystery box, so I am super excited to use these goodies. So let's move on to box number 2. So the next one is Essence Just For You. This is such a pretty packaging. This can actually be used, I'll use it like to gift someone like a little prezi for their birthday or a special occasion, Mother's Day, birthday, you know, like a nice special gift idea. This is pretty cool as well. So let's see what we have in mystery box number 2. So in this box, they basically say you get 5 products in the mystery box. It's definitely not expensive. I am going to put the link down below of how much it is for mystery box from Essence, and you guys can try it out and see what you get in your mystery boxes. So please just check down below in the link. I'll leave all the goodies in the description below so you guys can check out what is in your mystery box if you want to get a mystery box as well. So I'm excited to open this mystery box with you guys. So let's open the box number 2. It's so cute. It's like you are beautiful. Such a cool idea. Alrighty, let's see what I got from Essence. Pretty packaging, like I said. Cool gift idea. So let's see what we got inside. Okay, let me do this. Let's go. What is this? Eyebrow gel, color and shape. Girl, my eyebrows are gonna be looking on flick. You know, I'm gonna be doing this. Impressive. New York. Cool. This is so cool. It's in the shade brown. It's a color eyebrow gel. Yeah, it's in the shade 01. That's what it says, 01. I don't know if you guys can actually see, but I'll leave everything in the description below. So cute. This is an eyebrow gel that I got. Girls, we are going to be doing eyebrow tutorials. What's next? It says Essence XXL Nail Thickener. Protect the nails. Wow. This is nice and useful. This is an innovative nail polish. Instantly thickens and strengthens thin and brittle nails. Resistant against chipping and cracking for longer and more beautiful nails. Fast drying. Wow, how freaking cool. You know, sometimes then your nails, because if you use like a lot of products like when you wash the dishes, or your nails get brittle. And I mean, this is so cool and useful. Even when you sometimes wear nail polish, it leaves the nails weak, and this is actually something that can treat your nails. Cool. Now I got this. I will definitely try all of these products out. It's so cool. I'm very impressed with what's in this box. so freaking cool. Wow. Hey, let's feel what's in here. Eyeliner. You guys know I use Essence eyeliner all day, every day. This that I have here, Essence. It's Kajal 2-in-1. Pretty cool. So you can basically have, like, if you want to go a little bit more of an extreme glam look, you can use this little purple shade. This will be nice to glam up your look and give you a different vibe when it comes to your eyeliner. Cool. And then the silver, there's a silver which is a little bit lighter, which I feel like when you use a lighter shade around the eyes, it will brighten up the eyes and like widen it up a little bit more. So pretty cool. I'm loving these goodies. Really, I'm really impressed. Awesome. I love playing in makeup. Okay, let's see. And then I have another matte lipstick, and this is in the shade 1. Okay, so in the other one I had shade 2, so we'll see what kind of shades I get, and I'll do like a nice review and just test it out. Pretty cool. Perfect matte. You know, I love a matte lipstick. This is matte that I have on right now. You know, your girl is not smudging or leaving anything on any glasses. We are not smudging. It's all day wear. Okay, and then I have another Volume Shine Extreme Shine lip gloss from Essence. So girls, these products are going to last me for a very long time. in my little mystery box that I got. You guys, I'm super impressed with the goodies that's in here. I'm going to leave the links down in the description below. And if you guys want to check out Essence, go and see their mystery boxes and see what cute goodies you get. Like I said, it's not expensive. Get you guys some of these mystery boxes from Essence. I will leave everything in the description below, and you guys can get some value for money when it comes to your makeup. I'm all about providing you guys with some cool tips and tricks on finding good products and has good value for money as well. So this is it for my mystery box unboxing. Thank you guys so much for joining me again, and let me know if you guys are getting yourselves one of these mystery boxes. If you are going to go and grab yourself an Essence mystery box, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you got in your mystery box. I would love to know. Yeah, and that is it for the video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Please click the subscribe button, click the like button, and please share this video. Hope to see you next time. Thank you for joining me again. Bye.